John Otieno from MTS Eventive Solution, and MTS Eventive Solution is a audiovisual company which is based on events, equipment and materials that we normally release for our events. Here we have a very unique machine called a standalone machine. This is a 65-inch screen standalone, and it is a machine that is unique in the market, basically in terms of the features that it has. And one of the basic features that it has is that it is a 4K resolution in terms of clarity and in terms of brightness. So in case you have an event and you want to do some advertisement for the promotional product, here we have a standalone for leasing, and also it has some digital significant features like internet. It can be connected. Here is a feature for Wi-Fi. You can connect it directly to your Wi-Fi in case you have, and here we go. You can use it for any purpose that you want. Here we are. It can be connected to Wi-Fi, and also apart from that, it can be used also to display some information on a public gathering. In case you have some information that you want to display for the public, you can use it. Apart from that, you can also use it on educational centers. In case you have a conference meeting, there is something that you want to educate on your audience, here we are. You can use these stand-alone features. So guys, keep on following us at MTS Eventive Solution, because here is the home of all events equipments. For more information and for more queries, our number on how you can reach us is below your screen. Be blessed.